Hey everyone, welcome to today's quick tutorial on how to change iPad wallpaper in 2025. If you're like me, a fresh wallpaper can totally refresh your device's vibe, and with the latest iPad OS updates, it's more customizable than ever. Whether you're using the new iPad Pro or an older model, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your iPad is unlocked and on the home screen. Tap on the Settings app. That's the one with the gear icon. It's usually on your main page, but if not, swipe through your apps to find it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Wallpaper and give it a tap. This section shows your current setup and gives you options to change it. In 2025, Apple has rolled out exciting new features, like AI-generated wallpapers that adapt to your style. Pretty cool, right? Now, hit Add New Wallpaper and choose from categories such as Photos, Live Photos, or the innovative AI options. Select a photo from your library, or let the AI create one based on themes like nature or abstract art. Don't forget to customize. You can adjust perspective zoom, add filters, or even set it to change dynamically throughout the day. After tweaking your choices, tap Set and decide if you want this wallpaper for your lock screen, home screen, or both. It only takes a second, and boom, your iPad looks brand new. A quick pro tip: use high-resolution images for the crispest results, and explore the new dynamic wallpapers to keep things lively. If you run into any issues, double-check that your iPad is updated to the latest software. There you have it. Changing your iPad wallpaper in 2025 is simple, fun, and a great way to personalize your device. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite wallpaper ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.